Excuse me.
Yeah?
Do you know who painted The Last Supper?
Look it up.
I can't. I haven't got one of them brain chips.
Okay, just a sec. Da Vinci.
Thank you.
Sorry about that. Yeah, some 1% a throwback. Wanting access to the hive for a second.
Thanks. Are you alright?
Claims made by the so-called libertarian terrorist organization, The Swarm, to have hacked into the Hive social network and corrupted the software have been dismissed by B Corp tech support as typical 1%er scaremongering. Your long-term memory accounts are not at risk. We have multiple backups. Repeat, multiple backups. Threats to shut down the mainframe at noon tomorrow have been declared impossible. A spate of sporadic software glitches and isolated brief connectivity issues are no cause for alarm. Teams of experienced engineers are working to rectify the problem.
There is no need for alarm. We are not here to destroy, but to rebuild. We have disconnected the Hive to reconnect with the world. Humanity was sold a lie. That the chip would enhance us. That its deep brain stimulation was going to solve our problems. It has not done so. It has given us much, but it's taken away more. If you are hearing this, if you have access to a radio and know how to use it, then you are one of us. And we need your help. Many people will be experiencing confusion, anxiety, will not have access to their long-term memories, but they can grow new ones. We have set up shelters, re-education centers, but we will need your skills, your knowledge, your help.
Go and have a chat with that man there.
I don't know what to do.
My name's Mike. I'm here to help you.